Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to add existing contact to our favorites in our phone book in Samsung Galaxy S22. So how to add contact to a favorite list? Contacts, and let's add Mr. Morlock. As you can see on the bottom left we have favorites. This is only if we have contacts saved on our phone. If we have contacts that are saved on our SIM card, we won't have this option. So add it to favorites, and now our favorite contact will be displayed on the top of our contact list. And that's basically it. Our Morlock is in our favorites. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.